guys, I'm Andrea Racquel and welcome to my channel. Or if you're new here,
ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just
hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Andrea Racquel and welcome to my channel. So I'm back with another haul. Of course, y'all already know because it's summertime and we got to get that summer haul popping. We got some new stuff added to the closet that I want to show you guys, of course. So bear with me. It's not too much, but in these past couple months that I want to be able to share with you guys from all different stores. As y'all already know, if you watched my previous hauls before, if not, you already know my last summer haul will be linked up above. And you can check the whole playlist out. This is the summer haul 2.0. So we're gonna get into the clothes, the shoes, the accessories, everything y'all ready to see I have for you. So I'm gonna stop rambling and let's get into it. First item we want to show is this 2-piece set that I got from Fashion Nova. So this is it right here. It's in this like tie-dye style, which I don't have a lot of, but I just saw it and I was like, I got to have it. So it comes with this cropped crew neck, and then of course we have the bottoms to match. Y'all know I'm an affordable queen. I love to find a deal anywhere, and with Fashion Nova you definitely gonna get a deal, especially when they always have sale deals going on and they always give you like little promo codes. So yes ma'am, your girl only paid about $15 for this on Fashion Nova, and I believe I got this in a size 1X. Yeah, so it's in a size 1X. And yes, it's just a cute little, 2-piece set to go with the summer. Just something easy to throw on, run some errands, go out. I feel like it's the best of both worlds. These type of sets, I adore that athleisure kind of vibe because you can do so much with them. And usually I pair them with some tennis shoes and I call it a day. I'll put them in a little fanny pack and we out. Definitely recommend these sets. They're so comfortable. As Fashion Nova, you did that. Keeping the athleisure vibe going. I wanted to also grab this jumpsuit while I saw it on the site. Yeah, so I'm obsessed with it, and I think I got this also in a 1X as well, or maybe a 2X. Let me just double check. Well, yeah, I did get a 2X, and I think I did because I just want to make sure that I had enough space in the crotch area, because like I said in the last one, me and jumpsuits, we don't get along. So when I do try to find a romper or jumpsuit to try on, I need for it to have enough space, which this one provided because I got the 2X, and I believe this was also under 15 that I purchased this one for. This jumpsuit for Forever 21, and I think I also got this one in a 2X just to provide that space once again. And of course with the knee strapless, I wanted to make sure that my the cleavage area basically was provided with enough space as well. So definitely wanted to get that 2X just to make sure we had that space. And I'm obsessed with this jumpsuit. It's super roomy, nice and comfortable. It feels like a glove when you put it on. It is just amazing how the material was made on this because it's everything. And usually when I get jumpsuits, that's my biggest fear. So I'm glad that I didn't have to worry about it when I got this, and I could just relax. But yeah, so I ended up getting a 2X at Forever 21, and the price I only paid, I believe, was $10. It's like, I'm telling y'all, don't be sleeping Forever 21's website. Our online store be coming through with the deals. So definitely check it out, especially if you're plus size girly. They come through. I ended up copping these for Forever 21, and this was part of, I believe, their Black Lives Matters collection. But yeah, I just saw them and was obsessed, and I was like, I got to cop these. So as you can see, they're all white, and normally with white, I'm kind of cautious because white gets dirty quick. But with these, I just had to cop them. And so they have cute little community world on the side of them. I thought they were just really dope. Figured I gotta support. So I ended up copping these. And it also comes with pockets. Y'all know I love me some pockets. I love to have some pockets, y'all. Y'all already know I'm a pockets fanatic. So when I saw these, I said, you know what, we're definitely taking them home. We got to cop these ASAP. So yeah, and I think I only paid $12 for these shorts, either 12 or 13. They were under 15 as well. I definitely was a steal. But yes, ma'am. Definitely check out Forever 21 online.
You will not be sorry, okay?
I end up copping these little clear sandals, and plus they're trending right now. And I like that they're square-toed at the top. They just give off a cute little vibe when they're square-toed. But yes, I copped these from Shein, and I believe they were under 15 as well. They were $12, I want to say, that I purchased for online. And they're just cute. They're very comfortable. I got them in a size 43, which is, I think, their UK sizing, how they go about it. But technically, for the States, it's a 10. But yeah, so I ended up copping these in a 43. But I was kind of iffy because normally with Shein shoes, you gotta kind of watch it, especially with the way they do their sizing. But something just told me, you know, I did my Googling and I did my researching, and I was like, I think a 43 should be my size. So I got these from Shein, and they're just some cute little pairs to throw on over the summer. Highly recommend. So then the next pair of sandals I got, little regular pairs just to throw on for the summertime. And if it's, you know, we end up at a beach or we end up at a, you know, a pool this year, I just wanted to make sure I had my sandals on point and had my sandals right. So I caught these from Forever 21, and they're just like these little boo-hoo kind of sandals. I don't have any brown. Surprisingly, I didn't have any brown when I was going through my sandal collection. I only had like, you know, whites, blacks, the neutrals, but I was like, all of my neutrals but no brown, like make it make sense. So I ended up copping a brown pair from Forever 21, and it's got this cute little wedge little vibe going on, which I do appreciate. I just think it's really cute, and I think they were 12 as well. Usually I get them from the sale deals, you already know, and they were about 12 as well that I paid for, either 12 or 14. I will say they are cute and they're comfortable. Only thing is you can't wear them for too long, mainly if you're walking in them. If you're walking in them for too long, this part can start becoming a little irritating because it'll start digging in a little bit. I have cushion at the bottom as well, so I don't want to make it seem like they're just terrible, because they're not. It's just watch the walking. Watch your timing on the walker. Like, I needed a new pair of sneakers, and once I saw these I was like, yes, this is what I wanted, this is what I needed.
It's giving what's supposed to be gave.
So cop these, and I just love the color. I love the style of it. I love that they're a chunky sneaker but doing too much in the right way. Like, I appreciate that so much about these sneakers, and they're mad comfortable too. So I actually got these from Zumiez. So I believe I only paid between about $75 to $80, about $75, $80 for them. I had to sadly order them because they didn't have my size. I had to get a size 9, but my girl, she actually ordered them online for me in store, so it worked out, and that's how I was able to get a little discount too. So like, cop these. I just feel like they spring summer. These babies here, aren't they so cute? As y'all know, if y'all haven't seen this style trending, then you've been living under a rock, because they're literally everywhere. But I got my pair from Shein, along with the clothes that I got from Shein as well. Such a vibe. That's such a vibe. Like, look at this. Boom. They just changed the whole dynamic of your outfit. Like, the moment you pop them on, they just give it. Like,
They just give, like...
Damn!
But yes, I only paid, I want to say, I think $3 to $5 for these on Shein. Good steal, cheap, inexpensive, and they also come with a case. This leopard print little slick back purse, and I think it's just so cute. So I got this in a leopard print style. I just thought it was super cute, super trendy, and of course y'all know I'm obsessed with leopard print. Anything leopard print, I'm copying. This was, I believe, $8 to $10. It was under 10, I believe, on Shein. I think maybe it might have been 7, but yes, definitely cute. And it comes with a little zipper, and then this is how it looks on the inside. Just a regular little, you know, open pocket. Very inexpensive, super cute and trendy for this summer. I just want to throw it on and be about my day. And the one on the top says 96, which is the year that I was born. So I copped that from Shein. And then they also had a Leo necklace that I thought would go really cute with the 96 necklace. And so I got that from Shein as well, under $5 each. So they both were a steal, and I thought they would go really cute together. And I also got my earrings from Shein as well, and they were under, I believe, $5 too. That was everything in this haul. If you made it to this point, then I really, really appreciate it. These are a real one, and hopefully I come back at y'all with another haul sooner than you think. But anyway, like I always say, stay chill. Please like, comment, and subscribe down below. You know I truly appreciate you. And remember to also click that bell, because why wouldn't you?
Period.
And until I see y'all next Sunday, bye. Mwah. My channel, or if you're new here,
Ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just...
and excuse the spotting. I think my makeup got on it, so you know, excuse that. But and it ain't nothing that a little Tide pen, Clark's pen can't fix. Period.
The roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing to